The acrylic painting medium is a fairly new addition to the various painting mediums available to today's artists. Acrylic paint is highly favored amongst artists because of its wonderful versatility. It can be applied thickly as an impasto having rich texture or in washes mimicking the characteristics of watercolor. Painting with acrylics is exciting. You can create your landscape and your portrait painting projects using thin to thick coatings to accomplish an exacting texture. You can, however, learn a lot of painting techniques that will help you as you learn. Some of these techniques you will find useful and others you may choose not to use. In this video we will learn about few of those techniques. Study your subject. When you are painting a landscape, for example, you really want to look at the variety of subjects. Look at the clouds. Are they soft and fluffy? Do they overlap and run into each other, or are they several individual clouds? Look at the trees and foliage. Notice the overall shape. Notice the spaces where you can see through the trees, branches and leaves. Look at the hills and mountains. Notice the variety of colors and highlights. Notice how the objects in the distance appear duller in color. Do this with all the subjects in the landscape. Underpaint your canvas. Watercolor techniques. Identical to watercolors, acrylic paints work as a brilliant transparent medium. However, unlike watercolors, the advantage with acrylic paints is that they do not disturb the existing film of paint. Pouring paint. This is an innovative acrylic painting technique. In this, the required quantity of paint is poured directly onto the surface of the canvas. The canvas is then tilted to mix the paint. Here, blending takes place naturally. I hope you have enjoyed this video on acrylic painting techniques. Take some time today to experiment with these techniques and have fun. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Happy painting!